Hello everybody, my name is Esteban Ariola and I'm the director of the Aztec Club, and this is a quick video tutorial on how to print and purchase your Champions Club passes for the upcoming football season. It all starts with www.supporttheaztecs.com, and that'll quickly take you to our website, and then you're going to be looking over here in the right corner of the window. Click on account, and now that takes you to the SDSU Aztec Account Manager. Next steps, you're going to sign in. And after you sign in, it'll then take you to the dashboard. And this is where all of your ticketing and buying options are available. We're going to hover down, buy SDSU tickets. And this is important. Now you're on the University Account Manager. This is important right here. Make sure you log in again. It's important to log in one more time, and that is for security purposes. Now that I'm logged in, you will be able to see the options to purchase a full season pass or game-by-game basis. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to purchase a game-by-game basis. Make sure you click on continue, not the game. Make sure you click on continue. And I'm going to purchase one. Scroll down, find seats. Now again, do not worry about find seats. That is just ticket manager language. There are no seats in our Champions Club lounges. Add to cart. You're going to select your delivery method, and that's going to be print and view. You'll be able to print at home or view on your phone. Then we're going to check out. And some of you might already have a card on file. But if you don't, click your credit card and debit card option as payment. And at this time, you can then put in your information, and I'm going to start doing that right now. All right, I typed in my information. It brought me to this next window here, my delivery, mobile or print. Here, got all my details there. Make sure you agree to the terms right here. And then we're going to submit our order. Your request is being processed. It'll have your order summary. Now, this is not what you need to print. What you need to do now is click Account Home, and it's going to take you back to our dashboard. And since we just made the purchase, there it is. Let's log out because your account needs to refresh your purchase. And then you're going to sign in one more time. And it is heading back to the dashboard. And there's my purchase right there for Utah State. I'm going to click that now. And there is my hospitality pass. You can transfer them. You just need the email, and we're going to print. Select the ticket. Go ahead and click this. And it's now downloading. And there it is right there. On certain browsers, this browser pops up a window. Other browsers, it downloads it and puts it right here in the bottom corner. I'm just going to open it just to see a preview of it. And it's going to open in Adobe as a PDF. And there's my game pass right there for Champions Club. Go ahead and print right there, and you'll be all set. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks, and as always, go Aztecs.